Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Capital One affiliate offers for card comparisons, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Capital One affiliate program website. Look for the sign up or join button on the homepage. Click the button to access the registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a unique username and password for your account. Submit your registration to create your affiliate account. Check your email for a confirmation link from Capital One. Click the confirmation link to verify your email address. Log in to your newly created affiliate account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available resources. Navigate to the affiliate offers section. Browse through the various Capital One card options available for promotion. Select the cards you wish to compare and promote. Click on the links to generate your unique affiliate tracking code. Make sure to copy these codes to use in your content. Create a content plan focusing on card comparisons. Write detailed and engaging comparisons based on features, benefits, and rewards. Incorporate your affiliate links into your written content. Share your content through your blog or social media platforms. Monitor clicks and conversions through your affiliate dashboard. Adjust your strategy based on performance metrics over time. Stay updated on new Capital One offers and promotions for your audience. Regularly engage with your audience to answer any questions about the card options. Continue refining your approach based on feedback and industry trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.